Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with an epic SHOPKICK tutorial. SHOPKICK is such a great app. I really like it a lot. I never used it until recently, but it is such a good app, and they have so many offers every single week. So I'm really excited to talk about that. So yeah, first up, SHOPKICK requires you to have your location services on. It really is annoying because it can drain your battery fairly quickly. However, the reason they do this is because they're able to locate stores near you, give you kicks when you walk into the store, just a lot of stuff. So that is why they want you to have your location on. What I do is I turn my location on whenever I'm using the app, and as soon as I'm done, I just shut it off. That plain and simple. So, SHOPKICK has two different kinds of ways to earn kicks. First one is you can go in the store and you can scan products. The second is receipt scans. The one I do is the receipt scans, because with receipt scans, you can earn a ton. Just the item scans, you can't really earn that much, but with receipt scans, you can earn a ton. So let's talk about how. Okay, so I am now under the Walmart section, and Walmart by far is the store that has the most rebates. Right here at the top, you're going to see things called bundles, and bundles are really cool for a couple different reasons. Keep in mind, this is an app, so it can have technical issues. Bundles are cool because what they are is if you buy multiple products, you will get extra money back. So like here, the Neutrogena and the Kotex Click, if you buy them both, they'll give you an extra 400 kicks. Now, you might be wondering, what do kicks equal? At first, I was intimidated and didn't understand any of this, but there is a mathematical equation that's really easy for how you do this. So, every 500 kicks on SHOPKICK is equal to $2. So, take, in parentheses, 2 divided by 500, and then multiply that by the amount of kicks you're getting back. So, for instance, let's say you're doing this Kotex deal. You're going to do 2 divided by 500 times 400. That gives you $1.60 back. So when you buy a Kotex Click, you're going to get $1.60 back in rebates, which is really cool. So as you can see here, there are bundle offers for lots of things if you buy multiples. Like here, if you buy all 4 of these Dove products, you get an extra 500 kicks back. Just really cool stuff like that. They have lots of personal care stuff every week. They put out new ones. There's not really a date of when they do it, but like any Burt's Bees, any Suave, lots of rebates. Oh, any conditioner? Any brand. They're getting any brand stuff. That's cool. Just lots of stuff on here. You might be thinking, well, how do I do this on SHOPKICK? You don't understand how to do it. You might be saying, how do I know if something qualifies? So that's kind of confusing. The first time you buy it, you can scan the item and see if it qualifies. But with SHOPKICK, they reset every 24 hours. The scanning feature does not allow you to scan again after 24 hours. Only the receipt scan is every 24 hours. So it's kind of confusing to know what qualifies for this. You kind of just have to take a leap of faith and really read it. Like this is any Nature's Recipe Prime Blends dog food. You might think it's only on the dry dog food, but it actually is on the wet dog food as well, because I scanned it and that's what it qualified for. So yeah, that definitely is a cool thing. Be sure to read through those though. But they usually will reset every 24 hours on SHOPKICK, which I love. Love. Okay, so you might be thinking, how do I redeem rebates? So now we're going to talk about that. So how to redeem rebates, you're going to go to your store and it's going to say ways to earn kicks, walk-ins, scans, and receipts. You're going to hit receipts. And it'll load. It's going to tell you what kicks do you want to claim. You don't have to scan anything. You don't have to do anything hard. It's really easy. So you're just going to click, I bought the Nature's Recipe dog food. I bought the Suave Kids. I bought the security pads. I bought the Suave Green. You're just going to go through and click the things that you want, and then you will click the claim button. And they'll go through and they'll process it. It's that plain and simple. There have been a couple of times where they do not give me the kicks back. It somehow glitched in their system. I just shoot them an email and they credit it manually within like a day. So they have really good customer service at SHOPKICK. So that's it with SHOPKICK. You can cash out for gift cards is the method on SHOPKICK. You can cash out as soon as you hit, is it 500 kicks? Yeah, I'm pretty sure 500 kicks is the first one you can cash out with. You can only get gift cards. They have gift cards to practically everywhere. I'm serious. Let me show you some of them. So as you can see, I have 2,235 kicks. I am eligible. I selected a $5 Walmart gift card as my preferred method, but you can go through and you can change it and get any of these. It tells you what the starting requirement for kicks is for each one. So like for Outback, you need 6,250 kicks if you want a $25 Outback gift card. You just scroll through and select the ones you want, and it's really, really simple. It's phenomenal. I really love how they have this laid out. So yeah, but that is it for SHOPKICK. There's not too much to it. It's a pretty simple app. Just remember that mathematical equation. That's how you figure out how much you're going to get back. I have cashed out for gift cards on this countless times. If you haven't already signed up for SHOPKICK, here's my referral code. It is WIN430308. We both will get 250 kicks if you scan your receipt within 7 days. So it helps me, it helps you out. That'll give you the equivalent of like $1 back. So you really should do that. It's awesome. Please use my code. I know that you might be annoyed with me saying it, but when you guys do that, it really helps me, and it's going to help you because you get the extra $1 in kicks. So yeah, that's all that I have for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.